What's going on, guys? This is the Fullstack bro coming at you with another video today. In today's video, we're going to be talking about why fitness is so crucial for programmers. Now, you can see I work out a lot, 5 times a week. On a good week, if that, it'd probably be 4 times. But working out has been a game changer for me. Physical health, mental health, being focused to get things done. I know a lot of programmers, they do have sedentary lifestyles. They just sit on the computer all day, work on stuff, and then either run some errands and then go and sit on the couch and do nothing. I have a couple reasons why you should work out and what are the benefits of doing so. And if you try to incorporate a routine where you get to the gym or at least do some type of physical activity every day or at least 3 times a week, you're gonna notice a big difference in your performance as a programmer. So the first thing for me is the improved focus and concentration. Working out has helped me focus on the things that I need to get done for the week. It is crucial that I work out. If I don't, then I'm more sluggish. I have to rely on caffeine to get the job done. A lot of it comes from just going to the gym, getting a nice pump, and then coming back and having a clear mindset. This helps with solving complex problems. There's one time where I was trying to figure out how to solve this problem and I couldn't really break through that barrier to finding the solution. What I would do is go to the gym, work out for an hour, hour and a half, and then come back. And then I had a fresher mindset. And I was actually able to break through that plateau and figure out the problem and actually wrote better code because I did that. All you would need to do, say for example, if you're stuck on something, maybe the gym is not for you because some people don't like the gym because it's very intimidating as a beginner. What you could do, walk outside like a mile, then come back and see what happens with your mindset. If you want to improve your focus and concentration, try to work out. It doesn't have to be 5 times a week like me. As a beginner, you're gonna start at least 3 times a week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and then repeat that process for a month or 2. And let me know how that has helped you level up. The second thing is reduce stress and anxiety. Think about every single day you have to work through a problem and you have to meet a deadline. There's a lot of stress that comes with that, right? So if you were to work out, say if you're stressed one day and you've had a really long day, taking a walk, going to the gym, you're gonna have a different mindset. Make sure to do some type of physical activity. Do something, get out the house, get some fresh air. You're gonna notice that your stress and anxiety will be reduced tremendously. The third thing is physical ailments, right? If you're sitting at the computer all day, you have back issues, a lot of your body is atrophying because you're not really being physical. You gotta make sure that you get physical, right? You gotta build your body up because you have to understand as a developer, every single day, we're using our brains to figure out complex problems, right? That is draining in itself. If you're wondering why I got so many aches and pains, it's because you're not physically fit. You're not going to the gym. You're not, putting yourself through workouts to be more resilient. And sitting in front of the computer is not gonna help you at all. Take breaks, make sure it's a 1-hour break at least, and do something physical. Don't just sit there and be on the computer all day because it's not good for your mental health. It is not good for you physically either. Also, it boosts your energy levels. Working out helps with your energy levels, guys. You could rely on caffeine, like I said. You could rely on caffeine to give you that energy boost, but now you're dependent on that caffeine. You can make the same point for working out, right? Some people rely on working out to feel good. I rely on working out because it's part of my routine. I can't stop working out. Right? I could take a week off if I need to, but I have to listen to my body to do so. But working out has boosted my energy levels. There are times when I don't feel like it, but once I get in there and do 1 or 2 sets, I'm in it. And I feel amazing afterwards. So if I don't feel like going to the gym, mind you, if I'm not sick with anything, right? Have a fever or anything like that, anything serious, I make sure to go to the gym so that I feel more happy to just get things done. Because especially with us as programmers, we have so much that we need to do. It's not just building out features and fixing problems. We got other stuff happening in life too. So incorporating a workout routine will help you be balanced in terms of what needs to be done and not be swayed by other things that's going on in our lives. It helps you build a disciplined mindset. This will help you with finishing projects in its entirety instead of jumping from project to project. Some developers, what they would do if something is challenging, regardless if there's any blockers or not, jump to something that's easier. This will help you with sticking with hard projects and actually solving more complex problems to get things done. Working out is part of doing the hard things. If your goal is to lose weight, that's a hard thing to do. You have to dial in your diet. You have to dial in your workout routine. You have to stay consistent. You have to look at what exercises will work for you and then what you could adapt to. There's so many different ways to approach working out and getting better. You have to get a disciplined mindset to do so. If you want to level up from junior to senior, having that disciplined mindset is going to help tremendously. Trust me. This also prevents burnout too. Burnout is a serious thing with developers. If you task with so many different projects that you need to get done, trust me, you will get burnt out. If you're the type of person that will sit there 8 hours a day coding, you will get burnt out, especially if you're not taking any breaks and you're staying in the house all day. So you would get burnt out faster if you were to go with this approach. To help with burnout, of course, taking breaks is the key here. Knowing when to stop is the key. Knowing when to say no will help you as well. Incorporating fitness will also help with that as well because it releases endorphins, right? It releases feel-good energy when you work out. You're gonna feel confident in the way you look, how you speak in meetings. All that stuff is gonna translate just because you worked out. So think about it that way. Working out will help with so many things to help you stay on track and have longevity in this game, because depending on what you're working on and all the projects that you have lined up and all the deadlines that you need to meet, trust me, you're going to be burnt out way faster when you don't work out, eating the wrong foods, doing all the wrong things, than sticking to a routine that will help you stay on your game and stay focused. And then the last thing is overall, it's not even about programming. It supports long-term health. If you want to stay healthy in your 20s, 30s, 40s, 50s, doesn't matter, right? You have to incorporate a workout routine. You have to. Do something physical, do something hard, challenge yourself. If you're not doing that, you're going to stay in the same place that you was from the beginning, okay? You have to make sure that you push yourself to the limits, to challenge yourself, to get better every single day. You want to lose weight? Look at your calorie intake, make sure that you're eating the right foods. Any junk food that you're eating, get rid of that. You don't need that anymore. You have to stay with a clean lifestyle. And after like a couple months, let me know how working out has helped you, and also changing your lifestyle of eating right has helped you become better as a developer. Because I can guarantee you'll have a lot more energy just by working out and eating the right foods as opposed to what you're doing now. So that's it, guys. That's the video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. I'm also going to make another video about a beginner routine. If you're not really ready to go to the gym yet, if you're really intimidated by it, but you want to do something at home, I'm going to record a video of working with resistance bands that you could get from Amazon. So I'll have a link in the description for that. And I'm going to give you a push-pull leg routine with doing resistance bands at home. And that should help you at least start a routine and get you to be more confident to go to the gym and maybe start at Planet Fitness or something, right? To start working out and figuring out a routine. And if you have any questions, you can reach out to me directly on IG or email me directly if you want to, get into a workout routine. Okay? Talk soon.